Just do it, box. Y'all already know what's up. We are unboxing. I ain't even gonna show y'all what I'm using to unbox. But we're unboxing some sneakers. We're unboxing the Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. Won them on Snkrs app. Who'da thunk? Came up on these on Snkrs app with a dub. Boy. So I got these on release day for retail, and I'm super excited to talk a little bit about the shoe, what I see, and then of course what I intend to wear with the shoe or what I would recommend you all wear with the shoe. So let's get into it. Already you can see we got the classic Jordan 1 box. Black and red. Looking real nice and crispy. Well, the box isn't. It's got a little, it's okay. But I'm just gonna, let's hold them up. So I got these in a size 8.5. I'm a women's 10, men's 8.5. Woo. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh, why is chocolate like that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I gotta put the box down because, wow. Don't mind me. I just want a nice cup of, I was gonna say coffee, but I don't drink coffee. Let me keep it real. I don't drink coffee. No mocha lattes for me. But these are, woo. I like that. I like that. Look at that. So obviously we have the Dark Mocha Air Jordan 1s with the black sail and Dark Mocha on the heel. We've got the black leather around the toe box, the perforated sail leather on the tip of the toe. Beautiful. Sail midsole, black outsole, black swoosh, debossed Air Jordan symbol, but also got the little mocha suede, and it's super fine. It's a smooth suede. Like, I think y'all can see it. There's nothing coming up, no texture to it. I like that. Sheesh. I like this. I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna hold you, because while I love this colorway, I'm so glad I got these. Because when I first saw these, I was thinking guys would have an easier time styling these than our ladies. But let's talk a little bit about what you can wear. So, first things first, I need an aviator jacket. Somebody hit me with a brown suede, a real super fine brown suede jacket. I need some leather pants, because look at that. Some leather pants to match that. Some leather pants. A nice little like sail off-white mock turtleneck bodysuit. Ooh wee. Stick that booty out like that for a picture. So yeah, first outfit idea, leather pants, suede jacket, a little like mock turtleneck to match, and that's gonna be a complete match on match. I definitely think you can get away with some camo here, obviously, because this color is gonna be prominent in camo. Like I have a pair, boom. Obviously, you can get away with, look at that. Like, it's not an exact match, but who's exactly matching? But yeah, you can get away with that for sure with some camo. So camo would be a good pull for this. Definitely some black leather to go with the camo, some textured leather. You could wear a leather jacket with these, some camo pants, or you could do a camo shirt with a leather jacket. You could do black jeans, and then you could wear these. That's for guys or ladies. So that's an outfit idea. You can definitely throw on some stripes with these. Guys, wear some stripe. I think a really fine stripe, whether horizontal, no. Guys, here's a fit for the guys. Guys, go thick stripes. Go thick stripes with these. Go jean jacket. Go black cargos. but not ones that have elastic and come in on the ankle. They need to be straight cargos. Go with these. Just enough so that like it hits right here where you can see the bottom of the shoe. People will know that you have on the Dark Mochas, but they don't need to see the entire shoe. Now this is to be appreciated because this leather right here is everything. Like, it's beautiful, but I think you could definitely go with that. That would be dope. Black cargos, black and white thick striped shirt, long sleeve or short. You could go leather jacket or a nice Levi's jacket, Ralph Lauren jacket. Go with a parka jacket, guys. Go with the long, I'm giving y'all the ideas. Go with the parka jacket. You could either go this color or you could go with a khaki green. That would be super dope. Pair of jeans, put these on. Sail or off-white shirt. A nice Calvin Klein, like crisp tee. Easy. Somebody hire me. Like, I'm your personal stylist. I don't know why y'all keep playing. Hire me. Ladies, I really think that this would be cute with, what am I thinking? For my ladies, I think this would be super dope. We're going pants all day. I don't think this is a shoe for a skirt. I don't think this is a shoe. I'm lying. Here we go. Ready? Cat suit, trench coat. Easy. Done. That's it. You can have a little fun with the hat. You can have a little fun with your hair, whatever. Cat suit, trench coat, and Jordan 1s. I guarantee you, if you got a boo thing, they're gonna be okay. Cat suit, trench coat, parka jacket, black and white stripes, like I told the guys. I would be interested to see some polka dots with this, to keep it a band. And while I immediately thought like, I'm a pants girl. I don't really like skirts and stuff. So while I immediately thought of like wearing pants with this, I can almost guarantee that somebody like the notorious Kia, I can guarantee she's gonna put this with a super dope vintage skirt. If she landed a W on the Mochas, she's definitely wearing these with a skirt. Either that or she's wearing these with a nice tailored like flood pant. Or maybe they're not called flood pants. Maybe they're gonna be like an ankle pant or something that hits just like right here. You can see a little bit of her ankle. She might give you a white sock here, but it's probably more likely to give you black. With a button up of some sort and layering it with a jacket. I'm pretty sure she's gonna give us something like that, but if not, even if she does, I think you should definitely give that. So ladies, go with like a flood pant or something that stops right here, a little ankle pant. I think you could probably go with this color. A khaki obviously would look really good as well, and then just go back in with like something that's a little black or an off-white. Yeah. I mean, there are some options. The Dark Mochas definitely have some options. And then, of course, I don't think this is a colorway that I'm throwing a t-shirt on with. This is a pair of Jordans. I feel like because of and I know it's not even coming up as sail on camera, it's coming up as white, but because of the sail and the mix of like the creams and the neutrals, I really feel like you shouldn't put on a t-shirt with this. Like, do a little more, okay? Do a little more than putting on a t-shirt. I won't say I will never wear it with a t-shirt. I'm just saying do a little more than putting on a t-shirt and a pair of sweats or cargos. Like, that's too easy. We're tired of seeing that outfit for ones. I'm tired of wearing them. So anyway, Dark Mocha gave y'all a couple of fits. Hope y'all enjoy this video real quick of me unboxing and telling y'all what I intend to wear, but also what you should grab as an outfit. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and smack that like button and let me know in the comments what you want to wear, which outfit that you heard me say that would be your favorite to wear with the Dark Mochas, or if you even got the Dark Mochas. Let me know if you hit a W on these or if you took a big L this time. I'm only picking because I got them. I'm pretty sure Snkrs is going to hand me a couple of L's on these upcoming sneaker drops. So anyway, it's been real, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Tap on that like button and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.